recording right now.
Look at that little old man. Doesn't look like a little old man. Can hear me talk too, huh?
AJ! Well, that one's in danger.
Aww.
Well, we guess I'm going to zoo or something.
He's like, what do I want to eat next? This one.
The turtle's cute. I want one. Tortuga.
Look at the little turtle big.
I think that's enough. We can eat for like a minute.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, fish